Hello and welcome to a relay of 8 3x3s ranging from a very loose, springless old Chi to very big Galaxy series from Dangshang, I think. So we'll switch over to the Solomon camera, scramble the cubes, to then go ahead and start the solve. So we've got inspection, start with this one. I will say this is probably much worse than it looks, even if a piece has just fallen out of it. Find out in a second if that's the right orientation. It was. God, this is possibly worse than the Rubik's. And I messed up as well. This is lovely. Right. Minute 15 for the first cube, not very good. Now this is a RS3M Super, I believe, something like that. It was much quicker. Now this is the Hudong. Not sure how good that was as well. Now this is a GAN 35X of some sort. No, 356X of some sort, but I'm not 100% sure. And I took all the edge magnets out for some reason and then lost them, so it's currently magnetless, but it looks still pretty good now. Still, now of course this is classic, and of course it is also missing. No, this is not the classic game. Sorry, this is a Rubik's Speed. Sorry about my dog. And it's missing the orange and green center caps. It snapped off when it was somewhere, no idea where though. Now this, of course, is the GAN 12. This now is the classic Rubik's Cube. And it is very clunky. Now, I will say this is not exactly a really old Rubik's fan. This is, I think, we got it in 2022, I want to say. So, yeah. Not exactly too old. And of course, this is just the I think it's Galaxy series from the Angshine. I think it's the Angshine. So I don't know. I feel like it could be a lot better. 506 is pretty good. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.